Hello, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering what's very new here, I'm in Nagarkoil, so that's why you see me like this, the raw version of how I'm like there when I'm at home. So yes, this is my room, and yeah, if you're someone who is with me for the longest time, then you would definitely be familiar with this setup. I know it doesn't look that great now. So anyway, before me diving into anything else, let me quickly jump into showing you a small thing which I wanted to share for a longest time. So here I always had my kit, hair tools and everything with me, and I couldn't take them to Australia with me, so I kept all of my stuffs here. And you know what happened? The rubber, or the silicone over the hair tools and everything got so badly spoiled that my hair tools were not in a very usable condition. It was so sticky, and the exact quality of the straightener, curler and everything was completely gone. Like, I spent thousands of money on this one, right? So I really felt bad when I actually came and saw all these stuff. So I finally found a hack that actually helped me, revamp everything and finally use all of them. So I thought this is going to be really useful for you as well. So if you are someone like me who had some damages with this because you stored it for a very long time in somewhere, then this is definitely going to be helpful. So without me further blabbering, let's just jump into the video and I'll quickly show you what I did. So these are the two pieces which I wanted to show you guys. So this is my straightener and my curler. So what happened was this part became very sticky. So what is actually happening is that the silicone here, it gets spoiled and it starts becoming really sticky, and it's very tacky that you can't use it on your hair. Your hair is going to get really badly damaged, and this sticky thing over here is definitely going to transfer in your hair. So that's what happened. And what I personally did to get rid of that was very easy, simple, low cost hack for this. So I'll demonstrate on this bottle. So this is also like a silicone thing which got so badly damaged. Like, if you see here, you will know, like, the complete bottle got like really spoiled, right? And the rubber is like super sticky. Even if you try to wash it or however you try to remove it, this will never go, trust me, it's so hard. So how I'm going to handle this is, I'm going to be taking like a waste cloth just to prevent any spillage. And the easiest thing what you can do is apply baby powder or any random talcum powder. Just dust it all over, coat it like really nicely like this. So you just have to coat this completely with a lot of amount of baby powder, talcum powder, or whatever powder you have. Just rub it all over. And this is how it finally looks. I coated it completely with powder, and this is how it ended up looking. And now if you just let it sit for like 5 or 10 minutes, it's so easy to just wipe it off. Like, I'll show you this after 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is done, and you can see like this is how it looks. And now you just have to wipe it all out. So now even if you touch it, it doesn't stick and it is usable. So the key is, if it feels more sticky, again apply some powder and just leave it on for 10 minutes and then use it. It's good to go. It doesn't transfer to your skin, or it is not sticky anymore. Let me be very honest, like, no matter how much you do, sometimes the aesthetic is not that good and we don't really can do much about it. But this will definitely be in a usable condition, and the more and more you use it, this thing will go off. Or if you really don't like anything about this, just take a sandpaper and just buff it off. All the sticky thing will just vanish. I'm sorry about the bird noise which you can hear behind. This is how it is at home. Birds chirping and a lot of disturbances, but I still love this place. Anyway, can't do anything about it. And I hope you will like this video and you found this useful. Do share it with someone who really feels this is going to be very useful for them. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.